The rules for writing C# code are called syntax. Just like human languages have rules for punctuation and sentence structure, programming languages follow specific rules that define how keywords, operators, and other elements must be combined to create programs. When you write code in an editor or your favorite IDE, you may notice subtle color changes in different words and symbols. This feature is called syntax highlighting, a helpful tool that makes it easier to spot mistakes when your code doesn't follow syntax rules. In many examples or documentation materials, you might come across code labeled as syntax to demonstrate the correct way to use language features.